Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I recently made over my mudroom and laundry room and I can't wait to share it with you. I love everything in this room except maybe the dirty laundry, but that's kind of the purpose of the laundry room, so we have to deal with that. But we can definitely make a beautiful space out of our laundry room, and mine is also my mudroom. I got this gorgeous macrame. I'm going to link everything below, and I just think this is so beautiful. I had these pillows, but they're still available, and then this bench I actually have in my entryway, but I like it so much because it's nice and narrow and I love the wood color, and I just think it's a beautiful and pretty inexpensive bench. And then this rug is so gorgeous. I shared the larger rug on Instagram recently. I got them from Boutique Rugs and I'll link it below, and I do have a 55% off discount. These rugs were sent to me for an Instagram post, but this video is not sponsored and I was not obligated to share them in a video, but I think they are so gorgeous. I love the texture of the rug. I love the colors. They are really great quality. And I had these laundry baskets here for a while, pretty much since we moved in. I'm pretty sure they are still available. I'll link them below if they are, but everybody has laundry. I separate my laundry. I have a dark basket, a light basket, and then the third basket is for my cleaning cloths. I don't put dish rags or anything like that in there, just cloths that I use to wipe down the bathroom or the countertop or whatever, so nothing that's soaking wet. I got a new trash can for lint and things, and this gorgeous picture. This wall art looks so good with my decor, and I just found it at HomeGoods, but I did see that World Market has something very similar, but you can see the background of this art is the same fabric as my bench. I also put this plant up here because it's just growing like crazy. It needed to be somewhere up high, and because pothos grows so well in low light, I thought it would be perfect. I love macrame plant hangers, and you all know I love my plants, so I wanted to add those to this room. However, I needed low light plants because we just have this one small window in here, so it isn't really bright sun, but so far they are doing really well, and I got some gorgeous new plants. Any excuse to get new plants and I'm on it. I love having a mirror in the mudroom, of course, so you can check yourself on the way out, make sure everything's in place. So I got this one. I needed one that was relatively narrow so that it would fit in between the doors when they're open, and this was perfect. I'll link this below as well. I just love the distressed look of it, and it's the perfect size. I got this mat, and this is when you walk in the door, because I love my new rugs, but with shoes and living in Michigan, they weren't going to stay clean. So we take our shoes off before we walk over on the other side of the laundry room and mudroom. And I also have a mat out in the garage for wiping off our shoes when they are muddy or snowy. And I've had this for a while, but it's a great place to keep keys. It has little hooks on the bottom, and then you can write messages on it too. I got that from Target a while ago. So this is the whole look. I really love how it turned out. I hope you enjoyed this video. We've actually been doing quite a few updates around our home, so we're finishing up now, and I will be sharing those in an upcoming video. I'm really excited to share with you. So if you aren't subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe, and if you would like to see a home tour, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day.